How to connect your Redmi Buds 6s to the Xiaomi Earbuds app. In YouTube, there is no video about how to connect this earbud. As like mine, you download the Xiaomi Earbuds app from Google Play Store and try to connect. But when you click on Add Earbuds, there is no option for Redmi Buds 6s. And also, it did not detect the earbuds automatically. Let's fix this and connect the Redmi Buds 6s to the app. First, install the Xiaomi Earbuds app from Play Store. If you already have the app, then skip the step. Now connect your earbuds to your phone. Now open Xiaomi Earbuds app. Then come back to this page. Now click on the profile icon at the top right corner. Now tap on region. Here search China and select this from the list. Click on switch. Here click agree. Then tap on skip option. After click on skip, your earbuds will connect automatically. As you can see, my earbuds is connected automatically. So basically the problem was the region. If you change the region, you can connect Redmi Buds 6s to the Xiaomi Earbuds app. And that's it. If this video helped you, then don't forget to like, subscribe and drop a comment if you have any questions.